What I'm planning on doing today is going out and do a little bass fishing. Try to set the record straight on jig fishing. I've talked to a lot of people. They don't like jig fishing. They don't understand it. They think they catch more fish on worms than they do on jigs. Typically that's true, but when the bass want a jig, it's the only thing you need to be throwing. So how do you fish it? What circumstances do you fish it under? That's what this today is going to be about. Yeah, let me hook the boat up and let's go see what we can do.
Hey, jukebox, don't start playing that song again. 'Cause there's a girl at home who loves me. You know she won't understand. Long neck pop, let go of my hand. Hey, bars and mirror on the wall, don't stare at someone else. Don't show the world a fool I am, just keep it to yourself. Long neck pop, let go of my hand. Hey, jukebox, don't start playing that song again. 'Cause there's a girl at home who loves me. You know she won't understand. Long neck pop, let go of my hand. Let it go. That dance floor sinking underneath my feet, everywhere I turn. Ought to walk right out them swinging doors, but that's a step I just can't learn. Long neck pop, let go of my hand. Hey, jukebox, don't start playing that song again. 'Cause there's a girl at home who loves me. You know she won't understand. Long neck pop, let go of my hand. You know the girl at home who loves me, you know she won't understand.